In order to be more eco-friendly, maximize efficiency and lower the total cost of ownership of a light-duty truck, Fuso has been developing a new hybrid vehicle. This all-new second-generation Canter Eco Hybrid has an innovative powertrain that's shaping tomorrow, now. The Canter Eco Hybrid offers a parallel hybrid system consisting of 4 main components. Specifically developed for light-duty trucks, the compact and powerful engine of the Canter Eco Hybrid meets the enhanced environmentally friendly thresholds for commercial vehicles, with an automatic engine start-stop function as well as an eco mode. No wonder this highly efficient turbo diesel engine with charge air cooling beats even the strict Euro 5 emission limits. Duonic is an automatic dual-clutch transmission without a clutch pedal. It comes with a cutting-edge electronic control that optimizes the interaction of gears, engine and clutch, resulting in a highly comfortable driving experience with only 2 pedals for minimum strain on the driver and the vehicle. The maintenance-free lithium-ion battery is long-lasting. So, just like the entire hybrid system, this trouble-free hybrid powertrain will add no additional running costs to your operation. While in the Duonic driving mode, the electric generator starts the engine as soon as the brake pedal is released. The immediate power output of the electric generator lets the Canter Eco Hybrid move off very quietly with minimum CO2 emissions. At a predetermined speed, the Duonic transmission system automatically engages the conventional diesel engine whilst the electric motor keeps working simultaneously. If additional torque is required, for instance if you were to drive up a hill or to accelerate, the electric motor automatically supports the engine by delivering additional power. When braking, the clutch is automatically released and the electric generator transforms the braking energy into electric energy to charge the battery. The all-new Canter TF Eco Hybrid is easy to use in all day-to-day situations. What do you expect a light truck in an urban environment to be? Environmentally friendly, cost-effective, safe to operate and a safe investment. Everyone should profit from a better world, our children from a clean environment, and our customers from maximum value and performance. That's why we've developed the cleanest truck in the world. The Canter Eco Hybrid. Shaping tomorrow, now.